What's up, everyone? We're going to compare the Naniwa Diamond 400 and the Shapton Glass 500. Going to be sharpening Spyderco S30V. I'm not sure on the actual Rockwell of this blade, but S30V is one of the easier high carbide steels to sharpen. Okay, so that gave us a nice burr. Here's the metal left behind on the stone. After rinsing it off, you can see there's still quite a bit of metal. Okay, here's the Shapton glass. And I was able to get a burr pretty quickly with that as well. So here's what the Shapton glass looks like. And most of the metal comes off. There are a few little spots. Alright, so either one of these stones makes pretty quick work of S30V. I've gone all the way up to Maximet at about 69 Rockwell. And this Shapton Glass 500 will not cut that steel. You can leave a little bit of metal on the stone, maybe a pass or two, and the stone burnishes and stops cutting. So I don't feel that it's an option for steels that hard. The Naniwa Diamond, on the other hand, cuts that no problem. It does still load up a bit and need frequent cleaning, but it does cut that steel just fine. The feel and feedback of the Shapton glass is really excellent. The Naniwa Diamond, the feedback's good, and the feel's pretty hard, but it's still better than a diamond plate. So if you're looking for a stone to cut S30V and steels in that range, you know, either one works. The Shapton glass, I think, is probably the better buy. It's cheaper. It's going to last substantially longer, and it'll do just fine. If you're really getting into specialty steels, you may need to go with the Naniwa Diamond. Thanks for watching.